All right, so let's figure out this relationship between the rise and the run and the road. It's probably one you already know from earlier classes. If you took me in Math 98, we definitely used it then. You probably have had it in a high school geometry class even. So here's some actual footage of me going up a hill at work. And here's our grade triangle with the rise and the road and the run. Okay, so the rise is your vertical component, the run is the horizontal, and the road is the usually diagonal component. Now, as it turns out, you might recognize this because the grade triangle you're looking at is a right triangle. There's a very, very, very special theorem in mathematics that applies to right triangles. It's named after a Greek, even though the Chinese had it 1,000 years before him, and it's called Pythagoras' theorem, or the Pythagorean theorem. And many students use letters to represent the Pythagorean theorem. I personally like to use the words in the triangle because it makes them pop a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and say that the Pythagorean theorem for our case, for our usage in this class, is going to be the rise squared plus the run squared. Those two things added together equal the road squared. And there's a really, really cool set of justifications for this theorem. I'm going to link one into the playlist for this video, or of these videos. You can see it later. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how to use this equation, this Pythagorean theorem, to figure out how I figured out that if the road is 264 feet and the rise is 46 feet, how I figured out the run was 260 feet. Okay, next video.